So there's all kinds of food trucks. This one's called Chick-La-Lo food truck. This one's hot chocolate snowball stand is what it's called. And this one is boba bun. It looks like it's got all kinds of hot chocolate and good stuff on it. This one's got funnel cakes. See there? Funnel cakes. Yeah. I gotta get me a funnel cake or elephant ear. But that's just one row, one side, the left side. Is all you, excuse me, is all you're seeing right now. This is called the Three Daughters food truck. Then we're gonna go around. Thank y'all for protecting us. Appreciate it. Merry Christmas. And so I'm just now looking at the rest of them. That one was called, I don't know. This one's called High View. Oh, I'm sorry. And she was on a Miss Cardinal Country. Hi, how you doing, Miss U of L? How you doing? Likewise. Good deal. Thank y'all. Merry Christmas. And there's a hot chocolate truck. There's a couple more. I'm trying to go fast, but it doesn't look like I'm getting through the crowd that well. This one's called Big Mo's Barbecue. This one's called Cheesy Does It. And then the last one is called Annie Up. Excuse me, officer. Thank you for protecting us.